Welcome to Chris Cook for You Too. Today I'm going to be doing a very easy holiday punch, but you can also use this for a gender reveal, and you can use it just anytime because it's so refreshing. So let's get started with the ingredients that you're going to need in order to make this delicious punch. You're going to need the Hawaiian punch, but you want to get the blue. So make certain that when you get this, you get the blue. Now you can use any type, but if you're using this for a gender reveal, of course you would get the blue and you would get the red. So, and you would use the same other ingredients, but you want to use blue for this particular recipe. You're going to need Sprite, a 2-liter Sprite, and you're going to need pineapple juice. Now, you really don't need this, but I have this. This is just some sliced pineapples, and I'm using it really to just decorate it and make it look more festive. So you can get that if you like. It's really optional, or you can choose not to. Now, your ingredients are going to go in. It's going to be 1, 2, and 3 when it comes to the ratio. So it would be 1 cup of this if you're using a cup, or if you're using a glass, it would be 1 glass. If you're using this, it would be 2 cups of this, or 2 glasses, and this would be 3 cups or 3 glasses. Now, most of the time, you're going to use all of these ingredients, but because I'm the only one that's here and I'm the only one that's going to be drinking this punch, I'm not going to use as much. I just want to show you exactly how you put it together. So we'll go ahead and we'll make it. Now, this is real fast and real easy. Does not take a lot of time at all. But I think that if you try this, you are truly going to enjoy it. Now, if you are going to do it for a party, of course you would put it into a festive container. But this is just me, and I'm at home, so I'm not using a festive container. Alright, so you want to use 3 parts of your Hawaiian punch. You want to use 2 parts of your Sprite. And I'm eyeballing this, but when you do it, you'll just use all of the ingredients that you see here. And you're going to use 1 part of your pineapple juice. Alright, so that's it for my ingredients. Now remember, you would use it all because you're going to be making much more than I'm actually making. I'm just using this small amount because I'm just making enough for myself and possibly one other person. Now that's it. That's all you need to do, and you're going to pour it up. There you have it. This is a real nice way to get a refreshing beverage. And like I said, you can use it for a gender reveal, you can use it for a party, or you can just use it for dinner time. I think it'll be great on your holiday table. So I've mixed this up. It's real simple, real easy. Just change the flavor. If you're doing a gender reveal, you would change it. You would make it blue, and then you would use the red one in order to make it pink. Or you can use any of the Hawaiian punches that they have on the market. That's what Chris is bringing you today. I am making this punch. Now, as always, I want to tell you, thank you for watching Chris Cook for You Too. Bye.